Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Music not working on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Apple Music app is not working in your iPhone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to go back and open your settings app. Go to general, go to VPN device management and just make sure that your VPN is not connected. After that, go back, go to software update. Try to update your software. After updating software, go back and here go to app section and here just look for music app. Now in the music app section you have to enable all the settings for your music app. Here just show Apple Music. Then scroll down here if you want to join Apple Music so you can join, and here just show all purchases. Enable the toggle also. Then enable the toggle to check sound. You can also get sound transitions if you want to. Here you can download music or you can enable this toggle to automatically download your music. And once you have done, you just have to go back and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go back to your settings app and here go to general, go to iPhone storage, just search for music app here. And you just have to offload your app or you can also try to delete or uninstall your app from your iPhone. So in offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your music app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after that, after offloading or deleting, you have to open your app store and search for music app. And you have to try to reinstall your music app. So once you have reinstalled your music app, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So it might be that your issue has been fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go ahead to your Apple Sport app. You can easily install this app from your app store or you can use Apple Sport web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option. Here just look for music app, select that and here just wait for the loading. And then select get more help, then tap on call us. After that you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple's support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.